Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.
Mama countdown starting from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag.
We got our stock compact Conci heat. They're fighting for one more last prize by feature action this evening to go for $5,000. KC1 parks in the back of that Camry in the north end of the track. A big hit down that Barbie car. C1 in the 4844, meeting the center of the ring. We got the 4 drivers trying to pick their shots as 3 are trying to get back off the count. KC1 gets refired. He's got to make a hit to get off the clock. And she does. Big hit by an M32 on the 4844. On the 013, right center of the track. And now he finds a 4844 on the south side. We still got a 5-car demolition derby. And 3 of those cars pile up in the south side ring. BH101. Big hit with a BH101. That 4844 is having a hard time keeping that thing moving. We got the N32 to the count, the 4844. The KC1 with a big hit on the BH101. We got down to 2 cars as N32 is still under the count on the north side of the track. We might have all 3 of these cars hooked up down here. The KC1, the BH101. Red flag is out. Red flag, drivers, red flag. Red flag, red